To create or prepare our BQ addendum, we'll first go to our project page, click at the cube button here, click into tendering. And it will direct you to the BQ page. So from here, when we want to prepare our addendum, we'll just click first at the project addendum, and then you can click at add addendum. Right, so it will have to be in progress for us to be able to proceed with creating our addendum. So let me zoom in a bit. Right, and then we click at project breakdown. So in terms of addendum and BQ in build space, we can only prepare addendum at item level, which is double click into your build, double click into your element, and this is where you can actually prepare your addendum. So then in terms of addendum, if let's say it's to our existing items, we just click at the item here, let's say 16mm diameter in columns, right click, copy, right click again, paste. So it will paste at the top here, and then it will be in highlight color like this one, right? So this means you can actually amend your description. Press enter, you can amend your description, you can amend your item type, you can amend your unit, your quantity, and also your rate. So rates here depending on what type. For example, here is just an item, so here rates is just a normal rates, which is your pre-tender estimate, which can also be input later on. So here we have to input our quantity, so I put in 100 for example, right? And then the existing description, which is doing our original preparation, we just right click here, and then we can click delete row, click yes, right? So it will actually be deleted over here. The record will still be there, whereby the reason why is because we want to have the record of what was actually the existing description or existing BQ, alright? So we still have the record here, it's just that whatever addendum will be highlighted like this one, which is this one, right? So once you have done your addendum, so we have this kind of addendum which is for existing item, or if you have a new addendum in total, just select the row. For example, let's say I select this row, click add row here, right? Or even select this row, click add row, so it will be over here. So this is the existing, let's say you want to create addendum for new items, right? So you just press enter, you can input your addendum accordingly. Okay, so once you're done with preparing all of your addendum, close this one, go back to project addendum. So in this addendum 1, so right now it's in progress, we just have to lock our addendum. So right click at this part here, click at in progress, change it to lock, and click save. So a pop-up will come out whereby, do you wish to update your factor build summary prefix before proceeding? Click no, and then it will change to lock. So once locked, you will not be able to create or adjust your addendum inside here. But if let's say you want to input new addendum, just click add addendum again to activate a new addendum, and you'll proceed accordingly. So whatever addendum, once you lock the addendum, will actually appear straight away to the tenders depending on what stage of the tender is it. Either if it's let's say in tender calling, then they will straight away be able to see this addendum, right? However, in terms of addendum for BQ addendum, it does not notify to the tenders. Therefore, you will need to notify to the tenders that there is BQ addendum inside build space for them to refer to. Right, so that's how you can actually issue BQ addendum in build space.